Now you can see once again whether you are getting live videos or not. Check it once again. Mm. Now you can check whether you are getting the live or not. Yes, now it is okay. Now you can see the videos. Vishnu said hi. Hi Vishnu. Yes. Now you can go for the remaining problems. So before telling, so which you have gathered the questions, let me explain those problems first. Okay, I'll write all in, try to do solve yourself. Yes, now see, if 4 points are given, if 4 points are given of a parallelogram, for example, if a point is given, a comma b comma c comma d are the 4 points of a parallelogram. See carefully what I am doing. A B C D, if the question is given like this, which is a parallelogram, see, we have to do AB and BD. So A point you have to take x1 comma y1 and C point you have to take x2 comma y2, and we have to do midpoint of AB, midpoint of AC you have to take. Again next you have to take B point as x1 y1 and D point as x2 comma y2. Then you have to do again midpoint of BD. Very simple. I am writing here midpoint formula. Everyone knows about the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Like this you have to solve the problem. Here, so finally we have to do midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC also you are getting some value, and midpoint of BD also we are getting some value. That should be equal, and here we are going to find out some of the values. For example, if x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 of AC, here also x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is a format I am writing. You can substitute all the values. I am just writing the uh, the method how to use. If 4 points are given, what is the parallelogram is midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC is equals to the midpoint of AB. Yes, so this is the first problem we are going to do. In the question 4 points are given of a parallelogram A B C D. First you have to do midpoint of AC, this formula. Mid A point, take A point, C point, do midpoint, again take B point, D point, again do midpoint. This is a sentence mandatory. Midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. There you are getting the, this is the x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. Make these two equal and these two equal. For example, if you are getting the values x1 by x2 by 2, this is the AC. This is the AC is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. This is BD. According to y1, y1 plus y2 by 2 of AC, y1 plus y2 by 2 of BD. So if we get the values equal, then we are going to find out P comma Q values. Once the values you are getting P and Q, that P value you have to substitute in B value, that Q value you have to substitute in P value you substitute in B point, Q value you have to substitute in D point. After getting this one, is in the question it is given that whether yes, so after finding like this, the main important thing he is asking that whether A B C D forms a rectangle. Sir, how to check whether it forms a rectangle? Morning only I said clearly this. When you want to find out the rectangle, what you have to say? A, B, C, D. You have to find out distance between A, B. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A, B. Then C, D value again same. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. These two values if we'll get equal also, then two more are there to show it is rectangle. You have to find out AC value under root of again same x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Again for BD also same formula, x2 minus x1. If AB value is equals to CD value and AC value is not equals to BD value, then it does not forms a right angle. Does not forms a it does not forms a rectangle. This is the entire procedure what we are going to do for the first problem. So for all the problems I will write the procedure, you can substitute the values, that's it. So this is the entire process. First take A value, C value, do midpoint, take B value, D value, midpoint. So x coordinate AC is equals to x coordinate of BD, midpoint of AC x coordinate, midpoint of BD x coordinate should be equal. Then AC y coordinate, BD y coordinates we are making equal. Then we are getting P and value. PQ value we are substituting P value here, Q value here we are going to. After finding, it is asked ABCD forms a rectangle. We have to show. First take distance between 2 points AB, then solve distance between 2 points CD. Then do diagonals AC and BD. If AC is not equals to BD, then it does not form a rectangle. Even if you are getting same values AC, BD and BC and AD. Rectangle means we have to show that opposite sides are equal. Here we are showing only AB is equal to CD, but we have to check BC is equals to AD also compulsory. BC is equals to AD also you have to check compulsory without any failure. And lastly we have to do this one. Midpoint, distance between 2 points AB and CD. Next BC and AD. Next AC and BD. So totally 6 distance formula you have to do. Distance formula how many times you have to do? 6 times. First AB CD, next BC AD, next AC BD. So this is the entire method of doing the first question. Like if you want any doubt you can write it down. Yes. Now see how to do the second problem. And I'll read the question. Listen the question carefully. Prove that the abscissa is nothing but x coordinate we call it as abscissa. X coordinate of the point P is equidistant. Point prove that the abscissa of a point P which is equidistant from the points 3, 4 is 2 more than origin. So we have to show that x coordinate is more than 2 of the y coordinate. For example, x is equal to y plus 2 you have to prove finally. X is equals to y plus 2 you have to prove. Now see, this is the line segment A point, B point. So for example, this is a point P, we are taking x comma y, and B point x1 y1 and B point x2 comma y2. Now we have to do AP distance between 2 points under root of same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 means you will get x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. In place of x1 y1 we are having some other formulas. Here especially we are using a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, or there may be possibility of a plus b whole square, or that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. After finding ap value, then again you have to take b point x2 comma y2 and p point x comma y. Again here also bp same value you have to do, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here also same possibilities of finding the values, that is under root of x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y2 whole square. Equidistance is nothing but what? AP is equals to PB. After finding, you are getting AP is equal to, we are writing root of both the values. Again we are doing squaring on both sides. Square root of whole square is equal to square root of another value will be get cancelled. That means x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. Here also x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. Here also x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. The remaining will be x minus x1 whole square, x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. Here x is equal to x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y1 y2 whole square. So if you substitute this one, whatever, x square plus x square minus 2x x1 plus y square plus y1 square minus 2y1 y is 2y y1. Here also same, x square plus x2 square minus 2x x2 plus y square plus y2 square minus 2y y2. See, x square y square x square y square will be get cancelled. Here also x square y square. Here also there is a possibilities of changing the x square and 2x means we are getting values finally. Here also some values we are getting. After solving, there is a getting of chances, nearly there is a getting a chances minus y minus plus x is equals to 2. Finally x minus y going right hand side, y plus 2 you have to get finally. Lastly you have to get this value. Yes, method I am explaining how to do the problem. I am not telling the problem, but I am telling how to do the method. Finally you have to get this one answer. Fine, that's it. Now question number 3. See question number 4, question number 4, question number 5, question number 8, sorry, question number, yes, see question number 4, question number 5, question number 8, question number 9. Listen carefully. Question number 4, question number 5, question number 8, question number 9, which I have explained here. Yes, so the same method, this is the same method we are getting the problem question number of 4, and same method problem we are getting question number 5. Question number 4 and 5 we are going to do the same method, there is no change. Question number 4, yes, question number 4, question number 5 will be the same process, there is no change. Question number 4, question number 5, see I am writing question number 4 and I am keeping question number 5. These are same method, this method only problem, and this method is problem is same. Question number 8, same this one, but here we are having the x-axis, here we are having the y-axis. There is, see, in place of x comma 0 we are taking 0 comma y. First you are finding is equal to 0, getting k value, that k value you have to substitute in the point. That for that you are getting x coordinate. If you solve that side you will get y coordinate. So first one is over, second one is over, third I will explain, and sixth I need to explain, sorry, seventh, third, sixth and seventh, eighth, ninth. Eighth is this method, see, eighth question is this method, fourth, fifth same method, and the ninth question is this method. Where we did the points, yes, I already did it, I'll explain. Yes, so ninth question is directly ratio is given, you have to substitute. Directly ratio is given, we have to substitute. Yes, now see, I'm going to write the third, before going to write the third one, third one, sixth one and seventh. Yes, let me write the sixth one. Now see the question, the ends points of a diameter of a circle, see, this is a circle, this is the diameter, this is the A point, B point. The first point we are taking as x1, y1, second point we are taking as x2 comma y2. The radius of the circle, this is the point I am taking as center. What is meant by center of the circle? O. O is the midpoint of AB. O point, if you don't know, you are taking xy. So x comma y point you have to find out. How you will get? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now what did he ask in the question? The ends of a diameter, we have to find out the radius. Very simple, see, first do midpoint of AB, you will get a value. Now see, you are having A value and O value, that's it. Take A value x1 comma y1 and take O point x comma y, that's it. So if you do OA distance under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, then you will get the radius, that's it. The value which we are getting, method I am explaining, you try to do yourself, okay. First, in the sixth question, draw the circle, draw the diameter, take the midpoint. That midpoint you can take any value x comma y. Already A point, B point is given, O is the midpoint of AB. Then substitute x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y. You will get one value, that is the value as O. Take A value, take O value. Why? Because see, this is the radius. OA is the radius of a circle. OA means what you will do? Distance between 2 points. If you get, you are getting the value. That's it. Like this you have to do the question number 6. Now see, this one and third question both are same related. Here also see, circle is given and this is the diameter. Here center point already given. Here A point is given x1 y1 and B point is given x2 y2, and here center is given O point x comma y. On a circle lies, yes, we have to find out the radius. Very simple, you have to find out the radius of a circle. First we have to find out the value. First we have to do OA is equals to OB. How to find out O value? OA means AO is equals to BO, or very simple, OA is equals to OB. You have to find. Take A point x1 comma y1, take O point x comma y, write down the values for this one x1 y1, this becomes x2 y2. Do OA, distance between 2 points. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that's it. Again take O point and B point, again do same, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Take O point x comma y and B point x2 comma y2, x2 comma y. Now finally we are doing OA is equals to OB, then we are doing squaring on both sides, both sides x square y square will be get cancelled. Finally you are getting the something y value you are getting. After getting y value, you have to substitute in the point a. Here in place of y1 you have to substitute the y value. Then o value is already given. What is that? A center of the circle is given to here center of the circle y value, and here a point y value. After substituting, take o point x comma y, take a point x comma y, then do distance between 2 points. Sir, why we are doing 2 times? Here there are no exact numerical values. Here we have to find out y value first, then after substituting the value, then we are going to do the oa value. What is that? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula which we are going to use. Now the last and final problem. Now see everyone, I am going to do the last and final the problem number, called it as problem number 7. Now see 7, this is the center of this is a circle with the center. The center of the circle is given as 2a comma a minus 7. Center of the circle is given as 2a a minus 7. We have to find the value of a if the circle is passes through the point. One point is given. For example, if I am taking the point that is 11 comma minus 1, and this is the total diameter value is given 10 root 2. So if I am taking a point, o point and b point, we have to find out the value of a. Very simple, very easy method, very simple method. First I will tell, we have to find out the value of a. First ab value is given 10 root 2. This is the diameter is 10 root 2. How to find out the radius? Radius equals to diameter by 2. That means 10 root 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. You got the answer 5 root 2. Now you got radius. Radius means, see, OA will become the radius. Now we are having a point 11 comma minus 1, O point 2a comma a minus 7. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So OA is equals to r. What is the OA value? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 5 root 2. Now do squaring on both sides. Now remove the square. Now squaring on both sides means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 5 root 2 whole square. Square root here will be get cancelled. What are remaining? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to, write down square separately, 5 square root 2 whole square. Square root will be get cancelled. 5 square 25 into 250. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 50. Here onwards you substitute the values which we have given here, x1, y1 and x2, y2. From the starting only you try to do the problem, then you'll get all the problems. So up to here all the problems are done. Now I wrote the 7th problem points also. Now I'll write remaining all question points, no need to worry about it. Okay. Now see, in the 8th question, the 2 points are a point 2 comma 3 and b point is 4 comma 7. In the ratio I am writing as 3:1. What you are going to get the answer? Just tell me. Okay, I have given a question, a 2 comma 3 and b point 4 comma 1. To find the ratio of 3:1 ratio, you have to find out. X dividing, yes, that's it. Like this you have to find out all the problems. Just substitute the values properly. Now see the 3rd question. This one is given as minus 1 comma a point b point. So follow the steps easily, then you are going to get all the problems easily. Okay. So for your 6, let me keep once again for 10 to 15 seconds. I'll keep all the problems once again. Now go to the section problem. This is about the section formula. So question number 9 will be based on same question model. Question number 9 will be based on the same question model. Yes. See, question number 9 will be based on the same value. So how many are in online? You can type your names. Yes, everyone. Those who are in online, please type your names. So this is the 9th problem related. Same method you have to do. Okay, Abhilash. Okay. Same method you have to do the 9th problem. 2 points are given, ratio is given, p x comma y, you have to find it out. Same method process you do, you will get the problem easily. Now see. See, question number 4 and question number 5 will be depend upon this. See, 2 points are given, dividing by x-axis. X-axis means y coordinate becomes 0. That means p point will become x comma 0. 4th and 5th same method. Same how we did this problem. Same as it is, you have to do the question number 4 and question number 5. Format one problem I am explaining from my side. Remaining you can do by yourself. Okay. 4th and 5th problem. Sir, then what about the 8th problem? See, 8th problem here dividing by x-axis. Here it is dividing by the y-axis. Y-axis means x coordinate will in place of x comma 0 you have to write 0 comma 5 and you have to take the ratio k is to 1. Here also we are taking the ratio m1 m2 will be k is to 1 only. The ratio will never changes. The ratio will be as it is. It will never get changes. Ratio will not change it any of the moment. Yes, all problems are completed. That's it. Now I completed first problem, 4th problem, 5th problem also, 8th problem. Now see. See, first problem is very easy. Take a parallelogram, do midpoint of AB and do midpoint of BD. Then you are going to get P value and Q value right over here only. Why? Because makes x coordinate equals to x coordinate value, y coordinate equals to y. After getting values, then substitute that values here. After substituting, we have to do totally 6 distance formulas. First AB, CD, next BC is equals to AD, then AC is equals to. Otherwise, you have to do all AB, BC, CD and DA. AB is equal to CD, next BC is equals to AD. If you are getting this AB equals to CD and BC is equals to AD, if you are getting these two, again you have to check that whether diagonals are equal. If diagonals are not equal, then it does not form a rectangle. Yes, all problems done beta. That's it. Like this you have to first to do midpoint of AC, then do midpoint of BD. From midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD, then take the x coordinate separately, y coordinate separately. Here maybe you are getting p value, here you will get q value. After getting p value, substitute here, then do distance between 2 points. AB is equal to AB, BC, CD and AD. Diagonals also you do AC and BD. If any one of the values are not equal, that is called as it is not a rectangle. Yes, first one over, second one over, yes. So this is about the how about the second question. Show that the points of abscissa means x coordinate of the p equidistant. Sir, p what you have to take? P you have to take as it is, p value x comma y only you have to take, you should not change. First do distance between the 2 points AB. First do distance between the 2 points AB, then do distance between the 2 points. So equidistance is nothing but AP is equals to PB. That is called as equidistance. AP is equals to PB. That is called as equidistance. I think equidistance problems which are already given in the question. So after solving, you have to get the equation like this. Why? Because 2 more than the ordinate. 2 more than, so x coordinate means we are taking x axis. So ordinate ordinate. The point which is on the y axis is called y coordinate is called ordinate. Point in on the x is called coordinate, y is called ordinate. So solve ab is equal to bb, squares x square y square will be get cancelled on the both sides. Then finally we are getting the value of x. Now see question number C, how to do. Diameter is given. What is diameter? Diameter is nothing but we have to find out the midpoint easily. What is the midpoint? O is the midpoint of diameter AB. O value is what? O is the midpoint of AB. That means x comma equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Then substitute O value and you are getting, after getting O value, take A value and O value. There OA will become the radius. What is that? OA will become the radius. Then do distance between 2 points. Then you are getting OA any value that we are writing as units. OA is nothing but radius. Now see question number 3 is also same method. Here 2 points are given and here center is given. 2 points are not required. Here only center and one value is given. Here totally value is given as C, OA value and OB. Equidistance, yes. Here OA is equals to OB, we have to do. OA equals to OB. After getting, you are getting y value. That y value is substituting right over here, O point and A point. Then after that do distance between 2 points of OA. The last and final problem, 7th one. See, center is given, one point is given, diameter is given 10 root 2. We have to find out radius. Radius we are getting 5 root 2. So from the center point to the point A, this is called as radius. So OA is equal to R. OA value, O point, A point is given. Substitute these values here. Then make a equation. Finally you are going to get somewhere in the problem. Okay. So do x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus whole square along with the radius. So we are getting an equation. Or you are going to get A value something. A value is equal to 5 or 3 you have to get compulsory. And the eighth question is also same method. So this is the ninth question. Eighth question, dividing, find the ratio of the y-axis. Y-axis is nothing but P point will become 0 comma y. A point will be as it is x1 y1 and B point will be x2 y2 and the ratio is k is to 1, that is m1 is to m2. Then you can substitute in P of x comma y value, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. In this formula if you are going to start, then you are going to get the P value as well as K value. Both the values we are going to get. I think this is the end of this today's session. If it is possible, we will come back on the live session on Sunday. Maximum I will try. The Sunday I will try to explain about area related to circles. Area related to circles, or we can go for statistics. Just decide yourself which I want to explain. So if you are still in the online, please type in the comment section which chapter I have to explain, either area related to circles or statistics. That is in your hand. So I am giving exactly 30 seconds of time, so that after that I am going to close the this video. Okay, yes, now time starts now. So last 20 seconds. Please type in the comment box which chapter I have to explain, either area related to circles or statistics. That is in your hand. Just type in the comment box. Yeah, last 10 seconds. Done. 9 statistics. Okay, someone, I got only one message. So explain about statistics. Yes, definitely I'm going to try. On Saturday I'll try to explain statistics. On Sunday I'll try to explain about area related to circle. So this is the end of the class. Thank you for this. Thank you all the students, those who are supported up to now. So thank you for your patience. So tomorrow write the exam well. Okay. So this is Indranil signing off. Thank you.